I don't see plastic there. I'm gonna be really pissed off. And that mirror is really high. Guys, I gotta tell you, I'm really disappointed. I'm really annoyed. Okay guys, so I'm here at this particular property where I was gonna fire these contractors a few weeks ago, and I decided to let them go ahead and rock out because they were so close. And I haven't been here in about 10 days. So why don't you come and join me? Let me show you around what is actually happening here. So we finally got this deck power wash, which was a big deal. Okay, so let me show you something. You see here, you need risers here. It won't pass inspection unless we have risers in the middle here. Been there, done that already. So I already know what to expect. You see there's plastic there, plastic there. I just don't know if there's a plastic on that window. But none of these have risers. And if you don't know what risers are, here is what all of these are supposed to have. If we don't have that, we'll fail. Look at this view up here, guys. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get up those steps, but. All right, so here we are inside this house. He claims there's plastic all over this house, so we'll have to wait and see. And I'm just, guys, I gotta tell you, I'm really disappointed. I'm really annoyed with the way this process has gone. They have a few days left here, and I gotta tell you, once these guys are done, they're not gonna get another shot with me. Okay, so here we are. We've lost some light because they have all those plastics all over my windows, but the carpet's in. Let's go in this bathroom and let's see what's going on. He claims the plumbing's working, everything's working. We'll have to wait and see. So we don't want to make the same mistake and forget a mirror there again. We did that in our last flip where we forgot, but we're almost there. We're getting there. I am looking forward to having this property go on the market. As the market is shifting, guys, here in June of 2022, we want to get these products out as soon as possible. So what is one of our advantages, right, as flippers, even though the market is changing, is that our product is turnkey. So as inventory rises and homeowners want to sell their home, our properties, painted, everything's fresh, freshly done, we have an edge on the market. And this is a master bedroom here, guys. I don't see plastic there. I'm going to be really pissed off if they can't get that off. Floor's in. We're gonna paint that tub, that jacuzzi. We need a mirror here. So the biggest value add play in this particular property, guys, was the basement. We added a bedroom, we added a bathroom. So here we are. Look at these ceilings, they're really high. These are at least 10-foot ceilings. This place looks really good. There's a bedroom we created. There's our floor. They put in the light in the wrong side. That's what they did. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is done. There's a mirror here. And that mirror is really high. But I'm not gonna eat their lunch about it at this point. So as I was mentioning a moment ago, the big play in this particular property wasn't what we did here in the basement. And the fact that we added this bedroom and bathroom. Now you have this whole area here to entertain, or game room, or kids room, or whatever. And it's got its own entrance there. That's a big value add. So when you're looking for properties to flip, when you're looking for properties to add value, you gotta constantly have an eye. Hey, can I add more square footage? How can I add more square footage? Can I add a bathroom somewhere? Can I add a bedroom somewhere? So that you can have incremental growth in your ARV, right? In your after repair value. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for watching. Drop me a like in the comments button. Let me know what you think. I'm coming soon here. Maybe next week I'll show you the finished product once it's cleaned and it's done. Tell me what you think. What would you have done? You know, I didn't fire these guys, so I hung in with them. Here I am another week later. It's just, we're almost there, right? To have to pull my other guys from other jobs. I have so many jobs right now. It's kind of annoying, right? But one thing I learned is I'm not bringing these guys back on. Let's have a discussion about this in the comments. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.